Hi there. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover how to embed a PDF file in an Outlook email body. Have you ever found yourself needing to share a document in a visually appealing format right inside the body of your email? Embedding a PDF directly into your Outlook email can be the perfect solution. It not only makes your message look more professional, but also allows for quick and efficient sharing of important documents. So, let's dive into this process and explore how to easily embed a PDF file into the body of your email, ensuring your message stands out. To start, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already, head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in option prominently displayed. Click on that to begin the process. If you've previously saved your login details, this part will be quick. However, if not, you'll need to manually enter your email and password on the sign-in page. After you've entered your credentials, click Next to proceed. Once you log in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, your central hub for all email activities. Now, let's create a new email. In the top left corner of the dashboard, there's an option to create a new mail. Think of this as preparing a blank canvas for your new masterpiece. Click on it, and a new email window will open up, ready for you to fill. Focus your attention on the body of the email, where you would usually start typing your message. Click in this space to ensure you're ready to add your content. This is where the magic of embedding your PDF begins. Look to the top of the email window, and you'll see a tab labeled Insert. This tab is crucial, as it allows you to add a variety of attachments and additional content to your email. Click on the Insert tab, and within the options that appear, you'll find a selection labeled Attach File. This is the option you need, so go ahead and select it. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your PDF is stored. It might be on your desktop, in a Documents folder, or perhaps in another directory. Once you've found the PDF you wish to embed, click on it to select it. Now here's the final step. After selecting your file, look for the button labeled Open and click it. By doing this, you're instructing Outlook to embed the PDF file directly into the body of your email. And just like that, you've successfully embedded a PDF file into your Outlook email. Remember, embedding a PDF in your email is a fantastic tool for sharing important documents where the visual presentation is key. It allows your recipients to view the document instantly, making your communication both effective and efficient. This tutorial helped you understand how to embed a PDF file in an Outlook email body quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to embed a PDF file in an Outlook email body, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.